Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube using your mobile phone in 2025. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open a YouTube app on your phone and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Next, tap on the library icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Scroll down until you see the playlist section. Then tap on the playlist you want to delete. Once the playlist opens, tap the three vertical dots in the upper right corner of the screen to access the options menu. In the menu that appears, tap on Delete Playlist. A pop-up will ask you to confirm. Just tap Delete again, and the playlist will be permanently removed from your account. And that's it. Your playlist has been deleted. If this video helped you, please give a like and subscribe to Tech Vibe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.